What's up, guys? Want to show you something real quick. Somebody asked how to wire the module up in the door when you're doing the ambient lighting. So what I like to do is, like I said, on the power window switch, you usually can find power, and of course you want to check it with a meter. In our case, this is an Infiniti Q70 or QX70. Find yourself a usable 12-volt power source, and then of course you got your power and ground wires, which I like to kind of twist, wired in. I don't like to use any kind of T-taps or anything like that, so you wire it in for your power and ground. I then route the wire up and along to where I'm actually going to connect to my module. In this case, I kind of ran it with this harness and put my little butt connectors on there. That way it's serviceable and plug and play. And let me show you the door real quick. And then on the door, what we did is, of course, we run the lights along the trim line there. And then without having to drill, we're able to get the wires on the back side. Mount the module, everything's held on kind of by adhesive, so very strong, won't go anywhere. And then again, the power and ground, the bullet connectors as well on this, that way we can plug it in. And then once we get to the door, so this is where our power and ground is. At that point, when we're plugging the door up, we can use the bullet connectors. Plug those in. If I can get this one. There we go. And then once you put your door panel back on, you can see the lights light up, how it looks. Let's see if I can. But that's what you're gonna have once you wire it up and get it all mounted. And then you're gonna do the 4 doors and then the dash and then whatever else you wanna do. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, just make sure you subscribe, like the video. Thanks, guys.